So, dynamics of rigid body, topic 9 and topic 10. Newton's second law of motion. Part 1, rectangular of coordinate, and part 2, normal and tangential coordinate. Objectives. And understood the Newton's second law of motion. Newton's second law of motion, it is the formula is F equals ma, and F equals ma, maro na yung formula, balik na. And number 2, apply the law of rectangular coordinate times x and y direction. Atong i-apply ang x and y direction. And number 3, analyze the motion using the normal of tangential coordinate. And number 4, difference between the tangential and acceleration and normal acceleration. And number 5, solve the problems in force and motion, both coordinate system. So, kailangan ito i-solve ang isang sabot sa coordinate system. So, introduction. The Newton law of and Newton's second law explain motion using force and acceleration. So, kailangan ito magkikwaon si force o ang acceleration. Formula, F times a force equals mass times acceleration. Muna atong formula. So, the part 1 of coordinate, a rectangular coordinate. Number 1, motion is analyzed along x and y axis. So, kailangan to analyze ang x and y axis. Number 2, useful the straight line and the projectile motion. So, ganito useful ang pag-straight sa line sa projectile motion. So, ang formula sa Newton kay F equals force equals mass times acceleration. Kung F force times Newton. So, mass is mass kilogram, and ang F kay force or Newton, ang M kay mass or kilogram, and acceleration is meter per second. So, formula for rectangular coordinate, summation of f of x and mass times a of ax, and more balik lang siya yx na to mag-summation daan or ax to d squared x over dt squared. So, balik-balik this y squared this squared y over dt squared. So, mara niya tong formula sa rectangular coordinate motion. Example, if you push the light box, it move fast. Kung among itulod ang box og kusog, if you push a heavy box, if the moves slowly. So, kung mo push kag hinahinay ra, muhinay gid ang pag atras sa box. This is because of the mass, tungod sa mass daw of a body moves under the force in x and y direction. So, kung ang body na mo kay pa-move to under x and y direction, mukusog daw ang one. So, number 2, apply the summation and fx and fy separately to find the acceleration. Magkuha ka submission para makuha si acceleration. So the part 2, normal and tangent coordinate using for the curve motion. So, kinahanglan to ang pa-curve sa motion along a path. So, kinahanglan sa pa-curve gyud atong kwaon. Explanation is tangential direction along the motion is change speed. So, mag-change siya speed, and normal direction toward center, change direction, mag-change yung along motion, mag-change speed, kung toward, change direction. ang formula na to sa normal and tangential is summation of Ft equals mass times m times 8mt, or magbalik-balik ka na mao ni itong formula, or at equals dv over dt, or n equals b squared over r, mao ni itong formula. For example, a car moving in the curve has normal acceleration toward the center. So kung ang car down and the speed change tangential acceleration. So mag-change daw ang tangential acceleration. Comparison, rectangular is x and y direction, and normal tangential is along the path and toward center. So kung pakliko kindalan, magwas it along the path. So sample problem 1, a 200 of automobile is driven down at to 5 degrees incline plane at a speed of 100 km per hour when the brakes are applied using a constant total braking force and applied by the road on the tires and of the 7 key and determine the distance traveled by automobile at the sa come to a stop. So kailangan to pagkuha ang distance to travel, determine the automobile. So nailabot ang final answer kay di na mao layong nabutang. So nara ay ang given daw, so 700. So dito sa solution, so mao ni ang marag silbi ang drawing. So 700 newton. So mag-summation ta kay ang 5 degrees kay paana sa ubos, then pagpatag 5 degrees dire. So magsabi atong ikuan dan summation kay I'm ikuan na to. So 19 cos 5. So makuha sa n1 and 2000 times 9.81 makuha si 19,620 newton. So summation of fx equals max. So 19,620 sin 50 kay 5 man at ay sin 5 minus 700 equals 2,000 and acceleration. Kung ano to si pangitawan to si acceleration, butang sa calculator. Ang acceleration na to is negative 645 millimeters seconds per second squared, and atong b kay ang given kay 100 km per hour. So convert na to per hour, 27.778 meters squared a meter per second. So ang v na to kay 0. So ang formula atong gamiton kay kaning b squared over b squared plus u squared plus 2as. So s na to, so substitute na to, ang v na to kay 0, then ang u na to kay 27.778 squared plus 2. So atong acceleration is negative 0.645 time, makuha na to ang s na to makuha si 145.86 meter. Mao ni ang final answer. Thank you, ma'am.